Okay, so let's solve this problem. So to write the standard equation of this hyperbola, and these are the steps. So first, we need to group all x and all y's, but always starts with the positive x squared or the positive y squared. So since for this given, x squared is positive, so therefore, first group all x. So we have now 8x squared, then plus 48x. Then for the second group, since y squared is negative, so we need to put this negative outside, then change the sign. Since this one is negative, so this becomes positive 6y squared. And for this positive 48y, so change the sign. This becomes negative 48y. Then this negative 72 transposed to the other side. That becomes positive 72. Then this time we need to factor out the coefficient of x squared and y squared. So put this number outside. So we have 8. Then this becomes x squared, then plus this 48 divide by this number, so divide by 8. 48 divide by 8, this one is 6x, then minus 4y, put this number outside, so we have 6. Then this becomes y squared, then minus this 48 divide by this number, divide by 6, so 48 divide by 6, this one is 8y, then equals 72. Then this time we can do now completing the square. So in completing the square for x, so just take this number, 6 divided by 2, take the square, and 6 divided by 2, that's 3, and 3 squared, that's 9. Then for y, so for y, just take this number, that's 8, divide by 2, take the square, and 8 divided by 2, this one is 4, and 4 squared, that's 16. Then we need to add these numbers to this equation. So this becomes 8, then x squared plus 6x, then plus 4x plus 9, then minus 4y, so we have 6, then y squared minus 8y, then plus 4y plus 16, then equals, so we have this 72, then plus, so take note that the number you added on the left side must also be added on the right side. Since from x we add 9, but we have this number outside, so we need to multiply these two numbers. So plus 8 times 9. Then from y, since this one is negative, so we have now minus. Then from y, we added 16. Then we have this number outside. So multiply these two numbers. So minus 6 times 16. Then we can do now factoring and simplify. So for y, to find the factors, so factors for x squared, this one is x times x. Then since the middle term is positive, so this is plus. And for 9, factors for 9, that's 3 times 3, then quantity to the power 2. Then for y, so we have minus 6, then factors for y squared, That's y times y. Since the middle term is negative, so this is minus. And factors for 16, so 16 is 4 times 4, then quantity to the power 2. Then on the right side, so simplify. So this is 72 plus 8 times 9. This one is also 72, then minus 6 times 16. This one is 96. Then we have now 8 times the quantity of x plus 3 to the power 2, then minus 6 times the quantity of y minus 4 to the power 2, then equals, so this 72 plus 72, this is 144, and 144 minus 96, so 144 minus 96 equals, that's 48. So this is equals to 48. Then since the standard equation of this hyperbola is equal to 1, so we need to divide this number by itself. So divide by 48, and all the terms, divide by 48, divide by 48. So therefore, the standard equation, so we have cancel this 8, and we have now x plus 3 quantity to the power 2, then over this 48 divide by this number, so divide by 8, that's 6, then minus 4y, cancel this 6, and we have y minus 4 quantity to the power 2, then over this 48 divide by 6, so over 8, then equals 48 divided by 48, that's 1. So this is now the standard equation for this hyperbola.